Hey everyone! Today I'm going to be doing a loaded palette knife swipe on a wooden heart that I got from Michaels. I am starting off with my Oxide Black Cell Activator on my palette knife, making sure that the part that I want to touch my paint is covered well. Next I'm moving on to Golden Fluorescent Magenta Cell Activator, following up with ColourArte Sky Blue, and next is ColourArte Passion, followed by ColourArte Key Lime, and now I'm tipping it to make sure that I get it in the right spot so I can add my last color. It is Sapphire on Ice by ColourArte. Oh wait, I had one more. And Wine and Roses. That is actually one of the prettiest purples I've ever seen in my life, to be honest. I've learned with these hearts, you have to be extremely careful how you swipe them because they will look extremely wrong. If you swipe them just down and try to do both sides, you end up with a strange line in the middle, and no amount of swiping can make that look right. I've found that if you just kind of get a swoop going with it, it definitely seems to spread out a lot nicer. You, of course, have to tip it around and make sure that you've got it in just the right spot. And I also suggest making sure that you have just the right amount of pillow paint. You don't want too much, but you also want to make sure you have enough. I love doing swirlies. They are probably one of my favorite parts. I'm not sure you'd believe me if I told you that I have sped up this video. I really do them that slow. They always just make the painting look so much prettier, and I don't know, they always expand beautifully. Now I'm gonna spin it and watch where it goes. From the start, I'm kind of noticing that this top section it didn't put enough paint on it, and so I kind of struggled with that quite a bit in this pour. So, oh look, you can actually see that I've sped it up in this spot. Now I'm spinning it some more, hoping, praying that it actually expands all the way. And I really loved it, but the top part is still just not quite right. And no matter what I seem to do, that one section on the right side, it just did not want to cooperate. I'm going through with my embossing tool and I'm popping my bubbles as I see them. It's honestly the best tool I have ever purchased. I'm noticing the left side is going up perfectly, but the right side is not. Sometimes I find that if I rotate and spin one way and then spin the other, I can get the paint moving in just the right direction. This go around didn't work. I tried, but sadly that top right just, it wasn't coming. Luckily the left moved beautifully. I figured I'd give it a shot at trying to blow it up and try to tilt it. Nothing was moving that paint, unfortunately. And the one thing that I've learned is eventually you have to call it and be happy with what you have when the rest of it is beautiful. And so I loved this piece and I left it just the way it was. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you. Have a great day.